What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to go over Tuesday's game plans. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets in the morning. At 8:30, we got the U.S. trade deficit, and 10 o'clock, we got the job openings. We know what to do. We get data releases. We sit back. We wait for a clear direction, and then we pounce. We let the market digest all the data. Guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First ticker up is going to be Palantir. But before we do that, guys, do me a favor, huge favor, hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notification. That way you can stay on top of these dynamite plays that we calling out. Palantir, as you see, Palantir had a little run up and then they came crashing down. They tested this little level up here at what, 80? And then they came crashing back down. They're sitting at 76 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 76.45 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. They're going to start running this thing up. You got an area of interest at 77.05. They break through that. They're going to try to run this thing all the way back up to this level up in here, 78.90. So they break through that. You got this area back up in here where they got smacked down about 80.10, and they can keep running from that level right there. They came down a little bit, if you will. You see this top right here. They formed this top right here, and they started coming back down. That's a double top. On the downside, what you want to see, you want to see them open lower than 75.50. They can do that. They got this little bottom here at 75.10, and then boom, you got 74.50 on deck, and they can start running this thing lower, losing that area right there. They can bring this down. You got 74 even. You got another bottom down here at 73.10. You got these bottoms at 72.40. That's Palantir. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol HOOD. They're sitting at 42.60 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 42.80. If they can do that, the next level up is going to be this stuff up in at 43.15. That's going to be a heavy level. Expect the bears to try to smack this down right in this area. As you see, that's what's been going on. You got this top, they came down. This top, they came down. They came back to that area, came back down. Now, they looks like they starting to form new bottoms right here. You see, you got this, if you will, call it another double top, but it's not as high as these. You got this area right here that they trying to form. If they start getting knocked down right here, look for the next level down, the bearish calls right here. Look for this level right here at 42.30. They start losing that. You got an area of interest at 42.10. Next level down, 41.90. Next level down, you got 41.75. They lose that level right there. Boom, you coming back down to 41.30. Next level down is going to be this stuff in here at 40.75. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Come on up. We got a couple for you. First one out of the gate is going to be ticker symbol SPY. The SPY. They're sitting at 595.90. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere around 596.60. They can do that. That puts this level up here at 598.30 on the table. They break through that. Boom. You got 599.20. Turbulence to about 599.55, and then boom, 600.30. We'll handle in real time once they start smacking through that. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than 595.10. They can do that. You got 594.40, and then boom, you got 593.10 on deck. Next level down is going to be 591.95. There you go in SPY. Next ticker up is going to be IWM. They're sitting at 224.80. They start pulling back. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere up in here at these levels right here, 225.20. They can do that. They can start riding this thing up. You got these tops right here, 225.70. Next level up is going to be this stuff in here, 226.20. Next level up from there is going to be these tops right here, 226.55. And then they break through that. You got turbulence right in here to about 70, and then boom, You got 227.20 on deck. Expect that to be a heavy level. Expect the bear's presence right there. On the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 24.10. If they can start opening lower than that right there, you got 24 even on deck. Next level down is going to be this little bowl in here at 23.10. They break through that. Next level down is going to be 22.50. Next level down from that point will be 22 even. There you go. And that ticker right there. Next ticker we're going to throw on there is Nvidia. They're sitting at 150.25, guys. We had a play out in this one right here. If you took that play, shout out to you guys. Champagne bottles in the air. You killed it. You made money. I love it. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 150.80. They can do that right there. That opens the door for them to run back to these tops right in here at 152.10. They break through that next level up. They're going to start smacking these all-time highs, and we'll play it as they go. On the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than 149.70. They can do that right there. That opens the door for 148.90. Next level down is going to be 148.30. They lose that level right there. Boom, you coming down to 146.40. Next level is going to be 145.90. After that, you got 145.55. We'll handle in real time once they start losing those areas right there. Last but not least, we're going to throw Tesla on there. Man, Tesla gave us a headache today. My God, it took forever for it to get to its point, but we walked that play down. I let you guys know what time it was. I let you guys know the areas that Tesla was going to be playing in. And once they broke past these certain areas, I let you know what they were trying to do. I let you guys know that the bears had their eyes on that 200 EMA. Where did we come? We came back down to that 200 EMA, and they even did a little bit better. I think I have 402.30 on the chart. They came down to 401.70. Good job with you guys staying patient and trusting in your boy that I called it was going to come back to that 200. I told you that's what bears was trying to do once they broke this level right here. I told you guys 411.20 was going to be the do or die spot for the bears and the bulls. Now you see they going back up. Where did they close out at? 411.20. That's that heavy level. If you're in the 5 minute, that's short term. If they holding that level in the 15 or your higher time frames, that's who gonna have that ball for that amount of time, the long term. But I'm playing in the 5 minute. Once they take over that 411.20 spot, I'm looking for bullish plays. Once they start falling back up under there, I'm looking for them to consolidate up under there. I'm looking for the bearish plays. And as you see, they're hanging right back there. My next level up that I'm looking for is 415.10. They start consolidating above that. My next level up I'm looking for is 420.40. Next level after that, boom, you got 425.90. On the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see them open back under 407.70. If they can start doing that, that brings this stuff 405.05 on the table, and then back down to this stuff down to here at 400.75. We'll handle in real time once they start losing those areas. Right now, it looks like they had that run back up because they popped it all the way down to 401.70 and boomed it back up. You got to stay patient with Tesla. If you a newbie and you don't know what you're doing, stay clear from Tesla. If you are a scalper, you know the assignment. Once you get your couple dollar runs, you get out of that play because Tesla is famous for doing that and boom, right back up to where we started. Just be swift with it. You got to be nimble with it. If you are a long-term holder in this, and if you trying to buy call options on this, you wait for a nice pullback and you know what happens. I think I taught this in another video, that 200 rejection. If you thinking about going long and you see we having a bearish day, you wait for it to start smacking that 200 rejection, and then you wait for a engulfing green candle, and then you buy your calls and you throw a couple weeks on there and you let it ride out to the day that you're looking for. That's how you play Tesla. You guys that follow me on that 9 EMA crossover, look what happened right here. We wait for that 9 to cross over. We wait for the 9 to cross back over to 20. What else? That engulfing green candle. And as you see, that's what we got. We jump into that candle. Boom. You jumped into that candle, man, you back at 511.20. They gave us a nice little fake out right here, and that's where you come into testing your patience. Or if you are jumping in that candle right there, you setting your stop loss and you raising it up, and that way you securing profit, and this down play right here ain't gonna affect you. But you see what happened? It ran back to the 200. You see that crazy bounce that we got from that 200s. That 9 EMA, that's a play that you can make money on. And like I said, I dropped it in a previous video. That 200 EMA rejection, that's another one that you can make money on. What else do we see in this video right here? We see the tweezer bottoms. What did I say? Look for, if you thinking about riding this thing back up, look for a tweezer bottom. This right here is picture perfect. We got the tweezer bottom and boom, they ran that thing up. Shout out to you guys that was able to stay patient and pay attention to these plays and be able to capitalize on it and make some money. I am proud of you guys. You already know we are back at it tomorrow. Keep the patience going. To everybody that's watching that's not in the Discord, make sure you tap into the Discord. That way you have access to my morning list of call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. You guys that is in the Discord, you already know we were calling out these plays. We were knocking these things out of the ballpark. It took some time for these plays to develop, but patience is everything. And you already know, I let you guys know where it was coming to. I said the downside targets I got from 408 to 402.20. These other numbers in the middle, 407.60, take profit spot. 406.50, take profit spot. If you don't want to be greedy and you antsy and can't wait to that 402.20, it's okay to take profit. Never feel bad about taking profit. For everybody else, stay patient. You have got to stay patient. That's the only way that you're going to make it in this game right here, because Wall Street is not trying to give you anything easy. They're not going to let that line go straight up and make bullish plays, and that way, hey, it's going to 412. It's going to give you the roller coaster ride. It's going to give you a downside. That way you, man, let me get out of these calls. I'm losing money. What happens as soon as you sell that call? As soon as you sell that call, because Wall Street faked you out on a red candle, soon as you panic because you down a couple dollars, what happens? Boom, it runs back up. So guys, when you get in these plays, set that stop loss. Let the stop loss do the work for you. That way you ain't thinking about it. Once it hits your area where you don't pass go, don't worry about it. Get out of the play, pick another entry and ride that thing back up, or sit tight. Wait for another play, wait for something else, or you don't have to trade at all. Sit on the sidelines, get a fresh mind, and wait for the next day. So Wall Street is in the business to take your money. They are not going to give you anything easy. As soon as we understand that, the better and sharper we're going to be going forward. My job is to help you see that light. So it was fun today. I appreciate you guys showing love in the Discord. We back at it tomorrow. So guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.